Hey Ripstar, so today I'm making this video on comparing two types of slimes, store-bought slime and regular slime. As you see it, I've made some off camera and it was successful. As you see that. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and then we're going to do this one, the Galaxy slime, but it only came with the 3 glitter glues, but that's okay. So let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients you'll be needing are some school glue, a bowl, this spoon, eye contact solution, and baking soda, and a water or little cup dispenser. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is just basically pour in your glue. I'm going to get a spoon. As you see, I'm doing that. Okay, next you want to get your water, maybe putting a little bit, and pour it in. As you see, I poured it in. Then after that, you want to put in some contact solution. I got this. And then just a pinch of baking soda. And put it in. Then you want to stir. I think I'm going to add some more baking soda. It's not becoming slime. Did I add too much water? I'm pretty sure. So I'm pretty sure it should look like this. But let's focus on this. As you see, I'm going to do this off camera. Okay, I did this off camera. This is what it looks like. It doesn't really look like the one I made before. But that's okay. It's more jelly. It's like more smooth. Like. So I don't know if I'm gonna mix these two up. So I'm only going to do it with a tiny piece of the slime and mix them up to see what the solution is. So it just becomes slime. So I'm just going to add this slime. But this slime is like really hard. And this slime, since I just made it now, it's super jiggly. And I don't know how to describe it. It's like amazing, but it's not really that sticky. So I'm gonna have to take it out of the bowl. Okay, so as you see, this is the one I made now, and that's the one I made last time. These both normally act like normal slime. Like, they're not too, like, this one is really sticky. Oops, oh my gosh. This is so sticky, guys. Oh my gosh. As you see, but this one, it's more firm. It doesn't really stick to your hands. And I have some leftover baking soda right on my table. So I'm just going to roll it in that. I love this slime because the texture is amazing. Okay. Moving on, we are going to test out. Oops, I forgot to put on the lid. Anyways, we are now going to test out the Galaxy Slime Starter Pack. So as you see, I have this bowl right here. I have not used it. As you see, oh my gosh, no. So I'm gonna put these slimes like on here so that way it's okay. So as you see, here are it. Comes with 3 glues: the purple, the blue, and finally, voila! Oh no, and the pink. Yeah, we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna actually mix these up. So, go! Oh my gosh, no, what did I do? It comes like a bigger slime. So that's actually good news. So I'm gonna pause and mix them up. Okay, so I mixed it up. And this is the texture. It's really cool. But enough about this slime. Let's get on to the next slime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get all these of all three of these. And I'm going to do the blue first. Because I don't really like, anyway, blue, it's okay. But I guess I'll just do blue. So first thing I have to take off the lid because that thing, seriously, it won't do any good. So I'm going to pour in the blue right now. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? All right. I am not that strong, so I'm going to do this off camera. Okay, I have now poured some of it in, and as you see, it's still like glue. I'm not pouring the rest in because I want to save it for more later for more slime. And now I am going to go get the water. There we go. So I'm going to go bring this. Some pour this in, and now I'm gonna add in some contact solution. That was way too much. And now I'm gonna put in a pinch of baking soda, and actually two. That's so much. And then I'm going to stir. As you see, it's kind of jelly-like. But it's not beginning to be slime yet. It's still like normal glue. It's just acting like glue. Okay, here comes the slime part now. I can feel it. When it starts like getting hard to mix with one hand and starts spinning around, that's the part where I think it becomes slime. Or if it doesn't, you just need more activator. I'm gonna let this sit here. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera. Alright guys, so I finally needed it. Took me just 5 minutes. And it's really pretty on camera, to be honest. Like, look at the shimmer. I checked on this slime. Now, as you see, it's just like the first slime. So I'm gonna keep it right over here. Now we're gonna work with this. That's my parents. Anyways, we're gonna put my LPS in there just to make sure there's nothing on her. Let me put her in. Nope, she is good. So that means the slime is ready for the next color. Alright guys, I have no idea. Wait, let me focus up. Wait, oh my gosh, there's so much power. Okay, let me focus. Okay, so I think I am gonna do, let's see. Oh no, my LBS. Look at. I think we are gonna do pink. We're gonna do purple for last. So we're gonna do the same steps, repeat it over and over again. So let me just take this top off. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so hard. Okay, I finally got it. So now I am going to pour this glue in. Not all of it though. So I'm gonna pour it in now. Okay, so I think I left a little bit more glue in the bottle, but I think they're the same size. So then we're going to go fill this up with water. Okay, I'm right here, and I am going to fill this up. Oh, geez, that's hot. Okay. Oh well. I guess doesn't matter what temperature the water is, so I'm just gonna pour this in. That was too much. Then add some eye contact solution, and then a pinch of baking soda, and then I'm going to stir. As you remember, it took a little bit more time, but this one looks jelly. Seriously, that's the same thing I said. As you see, this is what it is looking like. Da, 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 da. The main thing I do with my slimes is that when I touch it with my fingertip, and you see it's like droopy. So I'm not going to play with it. And then I get some baking powder, and then I just put the extra slime and I roll around, and I see how it looks, and I just plop it in. So I'm adding more baking powder. I think that's what helps it. So I'm gonna do this off camera. Alright guys, so I finally kneaded it. As you can see, it's kind of watery, but later on it'll be a little bit more firmer. So that's that. Now we're gonna do our final one, the purple slime, and then we'll mix all of these to see if it will be Galaxy. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same process like I did with the pink one. So I'm pouring only a little bit, only half of the bottle. Alright everybody, now I'm going to pour in the water. I don't think that's so much. Then the eye contact solution. And then a pinch of baking soda. And then I'm going to stir. I'm going to do this process off camera. Alright guys, so I finally finished the purple slime. And now, we will find out that if this is going to be Galaxy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the slimes together. And then I'm going to add them one by one. So I'm also going to add the pink. Together, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. No, what did I do? Oh well. And then the purple, so that way it'll be like a pattern. I'm gonna knead these up. Is this Galaxy? I feel like it's going to be. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't think this is a fail. It looks like cotton candy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys. Alright guys, sorry about that. But overall, so here are the slimes. Both of these. Okay, so my favorite is probably the shop one because I love how pretty it is and how big the slime is. And I love this. It has a really amazing texture and it's just so big, and I was not expecting this, to be honest. I thought it was going to be a fail, but actually it is not. But as you see, it's starting to fade away. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're going to see more videos, don't forget to like, comment, and turn on the bell so you never miss another one. And I have a challenge for you guys. Comment down below which slime is your favorite. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!